So I kind of want to change things up. I've been gone for a minute. Why? One, yeah, because I've been lazy, but the other reason simply because I've been thinking of ideas to like switch up my channel a little bit. I'm kind of tired of doing, you know, the same old stuff. I mean, how many videos can you put up about how to ride a scooter or scooter vlogs or, you know, cool ways to design your scooter? I mean, you probably could find a lot of creative ways, but at the same time, it's kind of like, I'm bored. So for the last like month, the reason why I haven't been uploading is because I've been thinking about, you know, like a secondary category I can add to my channel, so it's not just scooters. And in that 4-week time period of just like mustering it over, I came up with buckets. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, I'm still thinking, but I do know I need to, you know, throw out some videos. People keep it like, where you at? And I'm like, I'm here, you just don't see me. Which what I have been doing though, I mean, I haven't been riding a lot. I was thinking about doing one of those, you know, check this out, this will never be the same. Okay, so the top case I have, the film, it's not coming off properly. So what I'm gonna have to do, let's go get my heat gun. Oh, heat gun, what I mean when I say that, hair dryer. 2-year 2,000-mile review videos. But the truth of the matter is, yes, it's been 2 years, like 2 years and 1 month since I've owned this scooter, the Havana Classic, but I haven't made 2,000 miles yet. I think I'm at, yeah, 1,933 miles. So that gives you an idea how often I ride. In 2 years, I haven't even hit 2,000 miles yet because I don't ride that often. But so I wanted to do one of those kind of reviews, but then I was like, really? I mean, what is there to say? Pretty much everything is okay, kinda, sorta. Here's the thing. So, you know, you have to do your yearly inspection or whatever, or registration. You gotta register your vehicle every year. So, yeah, so what you have to do is first, to get it registered, they won't let you get it registered unless you have your scooter inspected. The people won't inspect your scooter unless you have insurance. So I paid for my insurance. Then I have to show the insurance proof that I have insurance to the inspection guy. And all he has to do is like a basic safety test. It's not like a typical car inspection. All they got to do is make sure the lights work, the horn works, the brakes lights work, stuff like that, the blinker. And then once you do that, you show the DMV you have proof that your ride is safe to ride. And I did that. I did everything I was supposed to do. The cool thing is, everybody know how lame the DMV lines are, like extremely long. No matter what time you go, what day of the week, the lines are always at the door. This year I was able to do it online, yeah, but in order to do that, you also got to make sure you have your inspection, because it's all in the same system. So if you ever want to do it online, get your inspection first, then register, renew online. So quick tip. But anyway, what happened is, funny thing, you know, only me. At the same time, I'm kind of happy it did happen afterwards. So let me tell you a story. Okay, so I got the basic safety check, making sure everything at the inspection shop work out, vroom vroom. And it only costs $7 for do the inspection checks on these scooters. Yeah, cool beans. You don't have to pay that $50 to $80 to $100 like you do a car. So here's the $7. My scooter good to go. You're good to go. Here's your paperwork saying your stuff passed. That my scooter passed inspection. Okay? Keep that in mind. Passed inspections. Okay? Okay. You got that? So then, I'm backing out of the, you know, the garage, inspection garage. I drive off the lot. Within 30 seconds, I'm hitting 30 miles an hour. And then everything shuts off. Isn't that fun? Mid-driving, bogs out. So I'm like, dang. At the same time, I'm like, thank you, it happened after the inspection. So I'm like, oh snap, it turned off. Hold on, let me scoot on to the side. Like, I'm like in the cross section, you know, like lanes going that way, lanes coming this way. I'm like, oh, let me pull in the middle. And then once I got in the middle, it's completely stopped. So then I'm waiting for cars and I have to scoot the, remember when I ran out of gas on my scooter that one time? And I had to like push the scooter, that's what happened, right? Now, typically when your scooter bogs out, I mean, you got like a few things. Like complete shuts down, it could be because you ran out of gas. Now, I know I didn't run out of gas. My tank was on like half the tank, right? Now, say even my gas gauge was broken. There's signs, and I couldn't read the gas meter. There's signs that, you know, whether you run out of gas. Typically when you run out of gas, it goes that putt like it's trying to suck up every last fume. It didn't do that. And then also everything shut off. It wasn't just like I ran out of gas. Like lights, horn, all that stopped. Everything went off. So I mean, it can deal with like airflow in the air filter. I mean, not air filter, airflow going through the line or the hose to the carburetor. So it's just like, I am a nice little minute away from home. Do I have to push this scooter today? Or, I mean, it could have been the battery, because it has been 2 years and I have not charged that battery. Here's the thing, I do like minimal maintenance on my ride. I am not a professional mechanic. However, I do know a little something about a little something, you know? So I've been kind of lazy in the last 2 years, and I do like the bare minimum. I do like, you know, making sure my oil's changed, my engine oil's changed, make sure my gear oil's changed, making sure like my tire pressure is good, making sure like my brakes are okay. I haven't checked my brake fluid. I can't even see it in there. But stuff like that, like basic inspections every other time I ride, making sure, you know, I don't like crash and burn on the road. But when it comes to internal stuff, I haven't like opened her up. No, open him up. Ramen's a boy, if you didn't know. I haven't opened him up and like check it out. So since I haven't been, you know, throwing videos out there. Oh, finish the story. When it stopped, I sat there for like 45 seconds. I was like, alright, give it a second. Just start and get me home, and then we'll figure out the rest, right? So I'm like, come on. It started. So I was like, the battery could be low, but yet it started. Maybe it's the spark plugs. At the same time it started. So then again, you're supposed to change the spark plugs like once a year. It's been 2 years I haven't changed my spark plugs. I need to just do a lot to this thing, you know, get it back to tip top mint condition, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do over the next next month is tear my scooter apart, and I'll take you guys along for that. You remember the time I did the series? Some of you might have watched my Chinese assembly series at the Chinese scooter, and that was kind of like a tutorial style where I opened up the scooter. They sent it to me. I put the scooter together. Actually, didn't open it up. I put it together, and I kind of showed you how I put it together. There are actually videos I've created that you guys have never seen. Like I actually did a valve change on that scooter. I also changed the CTV belt on that scooter. I recorded all that stuff, but I never got a chance to post it because, you know, Hurricane Harvey hit, so all my footage and videos were lost. So I never got to complete that series. Will I complete that series on this one? No, I'm not changing the CVT belt anytime soon. I'm not checking the valves anytime soon. But, you know, I'll probably maybe change out the hose, because if, like, say the engine burned through one of the holes and that's the reason why, or like I have a damaged hose, maybe. I don't have a damaged fuel line. I know that because I'm not leaking gas or anything. But maybe like the air hose, or I can clean out the air filter. I haven't done that. I should have been done that a long time ago. So yeah, I'm gonna plan to completely like tear this scooter apart, clean it up, fix it up, and then put it back together. I did order quite a few things, you know, the basic tools: fuel filter, spark plugs, gap gauges, you know, tire things. Because again, I had all that stuff before, but I lost it in Hurricane Harvey. Pity me. 2 seconds. Okay, we're back. Yeah, that's kind of it. I do know it's gonna take a nice little minute for these items to come in. Like, the soonest one item will come in is probably like on the 4th. You guys probably didn't get this video until the 4th. Then again, who knows when? Maybe the YouTube fast uploading speed has increased. I don't know. It's been a month since I uploaded, you know, things change. And then like the latest item I might be getting is on the 14th. Exactly, Valentine's Day. That holiday is trash. But yeah, so I should be getting things coming in the mail at every different times from the 4th to the 14th, which is kind of lame, because say like I get my spark plug gauge on the 4th, but then I don't get my actual spark plug to the 14th. It's like, but within those things, I did not only just get things to fix my scooter, I got things to make my scooter look good. As in, yes, I'm revamping the look of my scooter again this year. If you had not noticed this video, while I'm talking, I should be peeling off all that pink vinyl, beautiful vinyl. It's called a rose red for some reason, but it looks pink, fuchsia. And I should be like cleaning ramen from head to tizzo, or from handle to tizire, you know? Yeah, I did not vanish off the face of the earth. Yes, I plan to upload videos, but you know me, if you've been watching, you know I like to change things up, switch things up. I don't like to do the same thing over and over again. The only consistent videos I do is my scooter vlogs. I make sure I do those. And even then, when I get on that ride, I don't want to just be blaring on, oh, look at that tree. Hey, doggy, passing by. I want to actually have something to talk about when I ride. You know, so maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll like add like something in there to incorporate it all. Like say riding and I don't know, bad movie reviews or something like that. Something so I can have something to talk about when I ride. Who knows? I'm still thinking. If you want to suggest things, go ahead. You know, the door is always open. I'm chit chat blitty blat for the last like 13 minutes now, 14 minutes now. You might be like, alright, thanks for the video. Or you might be like, please continue on. We haven't seen you in forever. What else can I talk about? Yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to talk about. Yeah, well, I'm changing the look of my scooter. I said that. Will I tell you what it is? It's something new with something old. Something I've done before with a little stash of something new. So, again, you know, when I do my designs on my scooters, they be coming out all kinds of crazy. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I've prepared myself for it. So, prepare yourself for it. Yeah, that's all I got to say, you guys. I will try. Today is the 2nd, February 2nd. Yes, I'm giving you an actual date. Today is February 2nd. I will see if I can get this video out today, February 2nd. Then again, will you guys watch? It's, what's that thing called? Football. Something with football. Oh yeah, the Super Bowl. Another sport I could care less for. Pretty sure like 95% of you guys care, because you're 90%, like, or 80 something, 85, 86% of you guys who watch this channel are dudes. What up, dudes? I don't mind. Holla at your girl. What I'm getting for Valentine's Day. I know you're out there. My one and only. Let's say I'm your one and only. Yeah, let's say that. Because baby girl got more than one and only. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, like I said, I want to change up the format, the look of the videos. How do you like this style, this little inner corner 2-box screen style? I'll probably be doing this for like the videos, the breaking apart the scooter, pulling it back together. I'll do this like format. If you don't like it, deal with it, because this is what I'm doing. Okay, all right, bye. See ya later. See ya later. Got me growing on the way. You ain't trying, you don't tell me now. I'm gonna get with you. Deuces.